Hello and welcome to your channel. As we have done our first chapter, now today is the turn of our new chapter, and our new chapter is polynomials. So smile and please quickly just see your chapter, what are the things in polynomial. So very first, the term polynomial. The name of the chapter is polynomial. What are the poly means? Poly means so many. Okay, so many. Polynomials. Meals means terms. So what are the meaning of this? What is the meaning of polynomial? Polynomial means which is having an algebraic expression having more than two or two terms. Okay. So how you just define how many terms are there? Okay. I think already you know, but let us quickly revise that. Plus and minus separates the term. Multiply and divide will not separate the term. Only plus and minus separates the term. So first polynomial is, and what is the difference between polynomial and equation? There is a difference. So always don't do mistake when it is said polynomials, don't write equals to sign, because equals to sign is your equation. If I am saying 4x plus 2, as I have written here also, here equals to 0. This one and this one is different, because this is an equation and this is a polynomial. So there will be no equal to sign. Don't put equals to sign. Don't forget in this chapter. Okay, this will be a big mistake. So polynomials means having two or more than two terms. So how to separate the terms? I told you plus and minus. In the first polynomial, here is one plus. Okay, so this is plus. That means there are two terms. One term is this, multiply, doesn't matter, and one term is this. Two terms are there. Same way, this is one more polynomial. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus. How many terms are there? Count. One term, two term, three term, and four terms. This is having four terms. Now let us see down. This minus, minus. How many terms are there? There are 1, 2 and 3 terms. So there are 3 terms. So these all are polynomials having different terms. Okay. So let us see. Very first things comes in is degree of polynomial. In your chapter, very first thing, the first topic is degree of polynomial. Okay. Let us see in these three examples. Degree of polynomial means the power of a variable, maximum power of a variable. Where is a variable here? X. This is a variable. So here is no variable. So this is known as constant. So this is a variable. What is the power of x here? Nothing. 0? No, because something raised to the power 0 is 1. So this is not 0. This is 1. And 1 is not written. So in where power is not written, the power is 1. So x is to the power 1. 4x plus 2 having 1 power. So degree is, what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree is 1. Okay. Now come to this polynomial. This is variable, this is variable, this is variable. This is constant. So here x is to the power 3, x is to the power 2, x is to the power 1. Here variable is here. Yes, if you see that variable is here, x is to the power, after 3, 2, 1, 0 will come. But x is to the power 0 is 1. A raised to the power 0 is 1. In your exponent and powers, you have already read this. Something raised to the power is 1. So therefore, root 2 into 1 is 1. So therefore, x is to the power 0 is never written. So this is constant. So what is the maximum power here? 3. So that is the highest degree is 3. So what is the degree of this polynomial? The degree of this polynomial is 3. Same way, come to this polynomial. Now you can tell me what is the degree of this? Easily, x is to the power 3, x is to the power 1, x is to the power 0. So degree is maximum 3. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. Okay. So this was the first topic. Clear? Fine. Now come types of polynomial. how many types of polynomials are there? Okay, types of polynomials. So what are the types? Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, and so many. Biquadratic polynomials, and up to so on. So how we are saying which type of polynomial are these? See, very first, polynomials are of these types. Polynomial, if some polynomial is given to you, if we will say which type of polynomial you say, you have to find whether it is linear, whether it is quadratic, whether it is cubic, or biquadratic is not in your syllabus. Okay, so up to cubic only, and maximum quadratic. Okay, so linear polynomial where x raised to the power 1, x has the power 1, linear means 1. Okay, so and the general formula of this is ax plus b. Okay, this is the general formula. General formula of linear polynomial. Now, any example? In the place of a and b are constant, only x is variable. So, in the place of a, I can write 2x plus 3. Okay, I can write 4x plus 5. Anything? I can write 3x plus, in the place of b, I can write minus 2 also. We can write minus 2 is b. If we open this, so this will become 3x minus 2. So, these two are exactly same. So, that means here b is minus 2 because ax plus b. So, plus is hidden here, plus minus minus. Therefore, the formula is ax plus b. Same way quadratic, power 2. Okay. So, ax, general formula, plus b, x, 1 power decrease, plus c is constant. So, this is the general formula of quadratic. Write something here. X square plus 3x minus 4. Like this also you can write, or you can write minus also here. So, what is a? In the front of this constant, so here is nothing. That means here is 1. So, what is a here? 1. What is b? bx. What is b? Minus 3. So, b will be minus 3. What is c? c is minus 4. Okay. What is cubic polynomial? Now, general formula of cubic polynomial will come. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the formula of cubic polynomial. And similarly, you can write any of the term like this. Okay. So, this is the type of polynomial. These are the type of polynomial. So, from this easily you can take which are linear, which are quadratic, which are cubic polynomial. Okay. So, no confusion, no headache, smile, and easy. It will become very easy if you will smile. Okay. So, keep on smiling and do your questions. Maths is very interesting. Okay. So, now types of polynomial is done. Now, what is on the next topic? Solution of polynomial or the zeros of polynomial. Now, next will come zeros are also known as solutions. Solutions are known as zeros. So, next topic is zeros. और अभी तक क्या बोलते आ रहे थे? अभी तक 9th क्लास था और 8th क्लास था. सॉल्यूशन. इसका क्या सॉल्यूशन है? आंसर क्या है इसका? यहाँ उसी को जीरोस कह देते हैं, कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. जीरोस और सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल. Let us take one by one. First, let us take very simple linear. Okay. Very first, I am taking linear polynomial. Okay. Any one linear polynomial. So let us take, this is some variable. Okay. Variable, some function is 2x plus 3. This is one polynomial. Let me say this is polynomial of x variable. That means P means polynomial. In the bracket x is written, that means here 2x plus 3 is a polynomial. What is the variable here? X. The polynomial of variable x. If I am saying only writing this polynomial of x, so if I will say write polynomial of x, you will write 2x plus 3. If I will write polynomial of y, p of y, write any example of p of y, polynomial of variable y. So you will write variable y here, 2y plus 3. Okay. The only difference is no difference. So this is the variable. Now very first, what are the zeros of this? Zeros for which the polynomial becomes 0. इसका मतलब 2x plus 3 को 0 हो जाना है. x की क्या वैल्यू रखें कि 2x plus 3 0 हो जाए? इसका मतलब कि क्या है? 2x plus 3 0 हो जाए हमारे पास. ठीक है, तो x की वैल्यू क्या होनी है? यहीं से निकाल सकते हो. So let me erase this one. What does it mean? इसके जीरोस निकालने हैं, इसका मतलब इसकी वैल्यू 0 चाहिए हमें. तो 2x plus 3 क्या हो जाना है? 0 हो जाना चाहिए. तो x की क्या वैल्यू होनी चाहिए? यहाँ से इजीली निकल जाएगी. 2x equals to send that side, x is equals to minus 3 upon 2. तो इसका मतलब minus 3 upon 2 वैल्यू अगर यहाँ पर रखेंगे तो x की वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगी. तब के देख लो. ओके, check it. 2x plus 3 was your polynomial. 2 into minus 3 upon 2 plus 3, 2 cancel, minus 3 plus 3 equals to 0. आगे इसकी वैल्यू 0, 2x plus 3 की. Okay, so that means the zero of this polynomial is minus 3 upon 2. एक बात ध्यान से अगर गौर से देखोगे, what is minus 3? What is a here? A is constant of x. 2. What is b here? 3. ठीक है, ये a हो गया, ये b. तो हमें क्या हो गया? माइनस 3 आ रहा है. इसका मतलब कि माइनस 3 क्या है? b डिवाइडेड बाय 2 आ रहा है a. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल के लिए फॉर्मूला भी बन जाता है. ऐसे तो निकालोगे, वेरी इजी. वाली फॉर्मूला भी लर्न रखना पड़ेगा कि व्हाट आर द जीरो ऑफ लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. ओके, सो द जीरो ऑफ लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल इज डायरेक्टली यू कैन राइट x इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस b अपॉन a. x की वैल्यू माइनस b अपॉन a के बराबर होगी. ओके, इक्वल होगी. तो दिस इज द जीरो ऑफ लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. Clear? It should be clear to you all. Please see properly and keep on smiling. With your smiling face, the things become easy. Means don't take tension. If you take tension, the things become very tough for you. But maths is very interesting. I'm telling you again and again. Okay. So let us take the quadratic equation. X square minus 3x minus 4. Let us take now quadratic equation. Okay. Now I am taking any equation, x square minus 3x minus 4. This is your quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means having power 2, degree 2. जिसकी डिग्री 2 होती है उसको quadratic equation कहते हैं. ठीक है. So ax square plus bx plus c के फॉर्म की है. So quadratic equation के इसके जीरोस निकालने हैं. इसका मतलब इसका सोल्यूशन निकालना है, इसका आंसर निकालना है. सीधे से देखो, स्प्लिटिंग मेथड अभी तक करके आ रहे हो. ठीक है. So 4 1 जा 4. 4 को कैसे ब्रेकअप करें कि माइनस 3 हो जाए? 4 1 जा 4 होता है, माइनस 3 लाना है. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? माइनस 4 प्लस 3. तभी तो आ जाएगा हमारे पास माइनस 4 सॉरी प्लस 1. माइनस 4 प्लस 1 करेंगे तो प्लस माइनस 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 3 आ जाएगा. ठीक है. सो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4, तो माइनस 4x वेरिएबल के साथ प्लस 1x मीन्स x माइनस 4. This is splitting method. I hope you knows because you are doing it from 9th class also. Okay, 8th also. So now take two terms. From these two, what is common? X is common. What is left? X minus, इसमें x common हो गया 4 plus इसमें से कुछ common नहीं है तो 1 common. 1 मैं लिख नहीं रही हूँ. So x minus 4 ऐसे ही बचा. अब 2 term है यहाँ पर. There are 2 terms. Again I am telling you plus. So there are 2 terms plus separate. One term is this and second term is this. फर्स्ट और सेकंड टर्म में समथिंग इज कॉमन, x माइनस 4. x माइनस 4 दोनों में है, कॉमन ले लिया तो अंदर क्या बचा? ये बाहर आ गया तो ओनली x प्लस ऐसी रहा. ये पूरा बाहर आ गया तो यहाँ पर क्या बचा? 1. ओके, तो x प्लस 1 x माइनस 4 जो ये फैक्टर्स आ गए इसके, तो ये इसके फैक्टर्स हैं. दीज आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ दीज. ओके, फैक्टर्स आ गए. अब फैक्टर से हम इजीली सोल्यूशन निकाल सकते हैं. x माइनस 4 ये लीनियर इक्वेशन है इक्वल्स टू 0 तो x इज इक्वल्स टू 4. इस वाली इक्वेशन को देखो x प्लस 1 इक्वल्स टू 0 रखो तो x इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 1. तो हमारे पास 4 और माइनस 1 दो वैल्यू आ रही है x की. और सोल्यूशन क्या होते हैं? अगर लीनियर इक्वेशन होगी उसका एक ही जीरो होगा. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन होगी तो मैक्सिमम पावर जो होती है तो दैट इज द जीरो, दैट मेनी नंबर ऑफ जीरोस आर देयर. तो इसके मैक्सिमम दो जीरो हो सकते हैं, टू जीरोस. ठीक है, सो देयर आर टू जीरोस, देयरफॉर टू जीरोस आर माइनस 1 एंड 4 आर द zeros of this polynomial. Okay, fine, clear. So like this we have cubic polynomial also. So we will find the value of cubic polynomial. Okay, this thing should be clear to you. Now one thing, before going to cubic polynomial, one thing should be clear to you, that what is the degree of polynomial that many zeros are there. Maximum that many zeros are there, more than that zeros are not there. So let us see example. Let me take one linear polynomial. Then come to quadratic polynomial. Then come to cubic. We have taken 2x plus 3. So this is one of the polynomial of x, or I can say this can also be written as y is equals to 2x plus 3. Okay, or let us take polynomial of x. So what is 2x plus 3 equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 3 upon 2. Okay, so the zero of this polynomial, linear polynomial, is minus 3 upon 2. Only one zero is there. Okay, so this we are doing mathematical calculation. Mathematical calculation, what I told you before, x square minus 3x minus 4. So what was our 0? So x square minus 4x plus x minus 4. Like this we will find. We will do the calculation first to find the zeros. So x minus 4 plus x minus 4. So x is equals to minus 1. Here just take common also, and plus 4 are the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. By calculation we have done this. Okay, then come to cubic. Let me take one cubic polynomial x cube. Can you tell me how many zeros are there? This is a polynomial of x. इसका मतलब कि x cube 0 हो जाना चाहिए. तो एक ही वैल्यू है, x को हम 0 रख दे तो 0 हो जाएगा. तो इसका मतलब इसके सिर्फ एक ही 0 आ रहा है. See here. Okay, now let us take some another x cube minus x square. So I am taking some another polynomial of, this is also cubic polynomial, maximum power is 3. So what should be the value of x? You can factorize it? No. So what can we do? X square common. So if you cannot factorize, take common. X minus 1. So first x square, there are two factors. First x square is equals to 0, therefore x is equals to 0. Then take 2, this one, x minus 1 is equals to 0, which shows x is equals to plus. So there are two zeros, 0 and plus 1. Clear? So there are two zeros of this cubic polynomial. Let us take some different x cube minus 4x. So I am taking one more of this polynomial, x cube minus 4x. This is also cubic polynomial because maximum power of variable is 3. Degree is 3. So how many degrees are there? That many maximum solutions are there. So take x common because we cannot factorize it anymore. So x square minus 4. X is common. X square minus 4 square, 2 square we can write. So x, a square minus b square. What we can write? A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. X plus 2 into x minus 2. So look at here. There are three factors of this cubic polynomial. Okay. There are three cubic polynomial. First, second and third. Okay. So for first x is equals to 0. For x plus 2 is equals to 0. What should be the value of x? X is equals to minus 2. Then for x minus 2 equals to 0. What should be the value of x? X is equals to 2. So how many zeros are there? There are x is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 2, x is equals to plus 2. 3 zeros. So if we are taking different cubic polynomials, we are having number of zeros. We can have 1 0 also, we can have 2 0 also, we can have 3 0. But maximum 3 0. More than 3 0 we cannot have. We cannot have. Okay, not possible. So this term, how many linear polynomial? Degree 1. 1 0. Maximum 1 0. Quadratic polynomial, degree 2. Maximum 2 zeros. Cubic polynomial, degree 3. Maximum 3 zeros. But 2 can also be there and 1 can also be there. Okay. So this is your up to types of polynomial. How to find the zeros by your calculation. In next video, we will see that how to find the zeros by drawing a graph, by graphical method. This is by calculation. Now graphical method is different. Okay? So the question will come by graphical method. This will come. So okay, for today's this is enough. Thank you very much. Okay, bye bye. Take care.